If you want to set up a simple chat with the OpenAI API, you will need only two parameters, the model to ask and the message. I'm going to show you how to set up a simple question answer from the user to the model using Python. I don't have to tell you that you have to import OpenAI, of course. Of course, also, you are going to import the widgets that you are going to need to create your main window using Tkinter. Your key, then the request, chat completion.create. And here you are going to set the parameters. First, the model selections. You must be aware that our model that will be deprecated and they are indicated in the playground by the word or the term legacy. You can also see in the main page of the OpenAI the list of models that are going to not be available and that are going to be replaced by the new one. In the message, you are going to set two parameters, the role and the content. For the role, you have different parameters, user, assistant, system, or function. So if you set to system, you describe in the content parameter the behavior your model must have. There is a default parameter or a default value, so you don't have to set it. If you set as assistant, you are providing information to your model for your next question. The information you provide must be in the content parameter. If you set it as user, which is our case, you are asking a question which is described in the content. Our question is explain quantum computing in simple words. We can recuperate the answer and then save it to a file here, answer.txt, open with defining the parameter W for writing or creating the file and write the answer. Now to get the answer, we will access to the first value of the key choices, then we will access the key message, then the key content to finally get the answer of our model. Now we want to display that answer. We are going to create main window, TK, then set the title, the geometry, and configure the background if you want. Now we are going to use a message to display our answer. We are not going to use a simple label. We want our widget to automatically adapt to the answer given. Now we are going to position our message in the main window and we call the main loop. Now we can run our function and see the results. If you want to know how to edit an image with the OpenAI API, you can check this suggested video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.